The morning sun had just begun to rise over the rolling hills of northern Iraq when the unmistakable hum of drones shattered the silence above the oil fields of Zakho. Within seconds, explosions rocked the Tawke and Peshkabir facilities, two of the most vital fields operated by Norway's DNO-ASA. Black smoke billowed into the sky as flames tore through storage tanks and processing equipment, forcing an immediate shutdown. Workers scrambled for safety, hearts pounding, as emergency protocols kicked into high gear. Miraculously, there were no casualties, but the damage was done. By afternoon, the Baadre field in Shekan was under attack. A third drone strike hit critical infrastructure, halting production. That night, Sarang in the Dohuk region, operated by US-based HKN Energy, was engulfed in flames after yet another drone strike. Firefighters fought desperately to contain the blaze, their silhouettes flickering against the inferno. All personnel were accounted for, but the region's sense of security had vanished. As smoke rose from multiple locations, panic gave way to anger. The Kurdistan Regional Government swiftly labeled the drone strikes terrorist attacks, calling on Iraq's federal government to step in. Kurdish officials pointed fingers at Iran-backed militias, accusing them of orchestrating the coordinated strikes to destabilize the region and cripple its oil-dependent economy. Meanwhile, the Iraqi military pushed back, stating there was no concrete evidence linking the attacks to any known group, highlighting once again the fragile nature of trust between Erbil and Baghdad. Despite the ferocity of the attacks, global oil markets barely flinched. Analysts noted that southern Iraq's oil output remained unaffected, compensating for the estimated 500,000 barrels per day lost in the north. But for those on the ground, the impact was far more personal. These weren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They were livelihoods. They were families relying on the steady hum of progress in a region that has long struggled for stability. Tensions now simmer just beneath the surface. The strikes have reignited debates over regional autonomy, federal responsibility, and foreign influence in Iraq's oil-rich north. And as the political blame game intensifies, workers at the damaged facilities can only watch the smoke drift into the horizon and wonder, who will strike next, and will they be safe when it happens?